In this clip I will create a demo application. Actually I will use this application to demonstrate how to install ngx-translate and how to use it. Let's write ng-new. This is the angular CLI command, and this command uh, is for to creating a new app. Angular internationalization. This is the name of the app. Press enter, press Y, press enter. This will take some time, so I pause my video. Demo application has been created. This is the root path of the application, and I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Paste here. This is my demo application. So open terminal and type npm start. This will run the application. The application is being compiled successfully. Let's see on the Chrome browser. This is the default Angular application. So for my demo application purposes I will use the bootstrap. So let's see how to install bootstrap in a Angular application. npm clear extend it, npm install bootstrap dash dash save. Dash dash save means it will save the package in the package.json file. Press enter. Bootstrap 4.41 has been installed successfully. Since the bootstrap has the dependency of jQuery, so I need to install the jQuery as well. Same command, instead of bootstrap I will type the jQuery. Press enter. jQuery has been installed successfully. This is the version, latest version 3.50. So another and final task I need to do, that this is the Angular JSON file. This file has a styles array. Within the styles array we can put all the styles location, and within the scripts array we can put all the scripts location. Here the jQuery bootstrap CSS path. I just copy the location. It should be on top because so this is done for installing bootstrap. I already created some components for demonstrating the app, so I'm not going to details here because this is not our agenda. Our agenda is to show how to install the ngx-translate. So I delete the app folder from here and put my folder. So and run the application again and see how it look likes. Now application has been compiled successfully. Let's see how it look likes. This is the sample application. The next video actually I will install ngx translate and see how to use it. Thank you.